Hi, my name is Zach Hawkins, and this is my presentation on SDG 9 and how it relates to Japan. Okay, so first off, what is SDG 9? SDG 9 stands for Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. It focuses on building resilient infrastructure, promoting sustainable industrialization, and fostering innovation. The goal is to ensure countries have strong transportation systems, reliable digital networks, and modern industries that support long-term economic growth. This includes things like expanding manufacturing, improving communication infrastructure, and investing in research and technology. Innovation is especially important because new technologies make industries more efficient, sustainable, and globally competitive. Overall, SDG 9 is about using infrastructure and innovation to drive development. Okay, first we're going to look at some of the US data. We can see how internet connectivity has changed over time, which is a key part of digital infrastructure under SDG 9. Around 43% of the population was using the internet in the year 2000. By 2002, that increased to about 59%, showing early adoption as broadband expanded. Growth continued steadily through the mid-2000s, reaching about 90% by 2017. After that, growth began to level off as most of the population was already connected, with by 2020 about 91% of people in the US were already using the internet. This steady rise reflects strong long-term investment in digital infrastructure. Next up, I'm going to talk about Japan's data. We can see a similar overall trend, but with faster early growth. In the year 2000, only about 30% of Japan's population was using the internet, which was significantly lower than the US at the time. And then by 2002, that number rose to around 46%. Japan experienced very rapid growth in the early 2000s as broadband and mobile technologies expanded quickly. By 2013, internet usage had already reached about 90%, several years earlier than in the US. After peaking in the mid-2010s, Japan's usage slightly declined or leveled off towards 2020, remaining around 90%. So while the US had more gradual, steady growth, Japan had faster early expansion but plateaued sooner. Both countries now have similarly high connectivity rates, which supports innovation and industrial development under SDG 9. And next, I'm going to talk about the JIT solutions for SDG 9 in Japan. This mind map shows different global information technology solutions that can support SDG 9, the progress in Japan. At the center is industrial innovation, representing the country's focus on advanced infrastructure and industry. Smart infrastructure technologies like Internet of Things structural sensors, AI predictive maintenance, and digital twin modeling help monitor transportation system and buildings. Smart manufacturing includes robotics, automation, AI quality control, and cloud production platforms that improve efficiency. Digital connectivity technologies such as 5G networks, fiber broadband, and edge computing support industrial data systems. I also included smart transportation, green industrial technology, and innovation research to show how logistics, sustainability, and R&D all contribute to industrial growth. And here are some of my proposed SDG 9 solutions for Japan. Based on the data and technology trends, I think that aging infrastructure could be improved with Internet of Things monitoring sensors. Labor shortages could be addressed through robotics automation. Factory inefficiencies could be reduced using AI quality control systems, while disaster risk could be minimized with smart infrastructure monitoring. Connectivity gaps could be addressed through nationwide 5G expansion, and carbon-heavy industries could transition to green manufacturing technologies. Together, these solutions strengthen infrastructure, industry, and sustainability. And then these are just my works cited. Thank you.